If you're looking for the best in protection for your latest smartphone, like your iPhone 10, look no further than Catalyst. They make fantastic impact-resistant and waterproof cases that are also nice to look at and slim and light. Today we're going to look at two of them. The first one is the Catalyst waterproof case for the iPhone 10. This is actually waterproof up to 33 feet, so it's got an IP68 rating. And what I like as well is that it can actually be dropped. It's drop-proof up to 6.6 feet. It's snow, dirt, sand-proof, so you can basically take your phone anywhere now. I like the fact that you've got the lanyard on the bottom here, so you can put it around your wrist and carry it around with you. And another nice touch is the mute button control here. Now it's just a little knob, so I can just kind of twist it back and forth to turn the ringer on and off. And again, this is something that you want to take if you're out and about. Maybe you're going skiing or down at the beach. Definitely something to protect your iPhone 10. The next one, kind of one of my favorites as well. This is the Catalyst Impact Protection Case for iPhone 10, which supports the Qi wireless charging standard. Drop-proof up to 9.9 feet, which is about 3 meters. And it's got the exposed face, so it's easy to get direct access to your smartphone screen. It's got the lanyard included on it, and you can attach it quite easily. And this is super light. It comes in around 5 grams, and it comes in 4 different fun colors. Again, these are the latest cases from Catalyst. Not only can you get impact protection, but also the waterproof edition as well. You can get more information at catalystlifestyle.com.